Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this zoom transition in DaVinci Resolve. First, place both your clips next to each other. Next, go to the Effects panel and under Effects, look for the adjustment clip and drag it to your timeline. Now place your cursor between the clips. I am going to move my cursor 15 frames to the left and delete the excess portion. Then I'll move 15 frames to the right from the center and remove the rest as well. Now we have the necessary clip length to create the transition. Next, I'm going to bring the cursor to the start of the clip, select the clip and go to the inspector panel. I'm going to keyframe the zoom parameter. Click on the diamond icon and let the value be 1 at the start. Now go to the center of the clips and change the value to 3. Next, go to the end of the clip and set the value back to 1. Now under the inspector panel, go to the opacity parameter. Place your cursor at the start of the clip and hit the keyframe icon. What I'm going to do is move 5 frames to the left from the center of the clip and set the value to 50. Then move 5 frames to the right from the center and set the value back to 100. By lowering the opacity at the midpoint and bringing it back up, we simulate a natural blend between the clips, reducing any harsh cuts. Now to smoothen the keyframes, click on this icon to view them. Select the first keyframe and click on the first curve option. Then select the last keyframe and choose the third curve. This will create a smooth transition. Always remember to smoothen the keyframes after setting them. Next, head over to the Effects panel and search for Zoom Blur. You will find it under OpenFX, drag and place it over the adjustment clip. Go to the Inspector panel and set the zoom amount to -0.6. Then, in the search bar, look for Solid Color. You can find it under Generators. Then drag the solid color on top of the adjustment clip. Now place the cursor in the center of the clip, then move 5 frames to the left and then move 5 frames to the right from the center. Then select the solid color and in the inspector panel change the color to white. Next, go to the opacity parameter and set the value to 30. Setting the solid color to white with 30% opacity creates a subtle flash effect. Let's hit the play button and check out the final effect. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.